Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the last chapter, which is your web hosting. Before starting the web hosting, we should know about what is domain name, right? What are domain names? Domain names serves as a phone book over the online internet. That is, it is human friendly computer host name. That is like your IP addresses. Every person, every human being has their own identity, like your particular name, unique name. Databases of domain names are stored over the distributed network so that anyone can access it by a domain name anywhere in the whole world. Each domain name has an authoritative DNS server, means every DNS should require authorization from a particular organization or a particular government. When these details of a domain name are changed, the change is made to the authoritative DNS server, which can be propagated to all over the server so that easily can access by any person. Now, next comes to name server. In practice, basically domain names are usually associated with your name servers or DNS rather than your IP addresses, which enables multiple domains to be hosted on a single physical IP address. Suppose I want to host a particular domain name, right? It can be accessed on a single physical IP address with a unique name. Suppose you have a in your home there is a telephonic phone book or a directory which contains all all contact numbers are associated with your nearby areas in a particular phone book. Now, why we require name servers? The name server requires that for a functionality, each domain must be served by at least two name servers. Suppose in your phone book at your home or a directory, if you access your A or B, you can get the related names or needed contact numbers. Similarly, here we can access this one. Now, how to register your domain names? There are so many companies which are providing this facility to register your domain name or host your domain name or a particular IP address on a internet. Where to register? Choose one of the big registrars in the UK, such as UK register or your 123 register. Both companies offer hosting too much, which you don't have to use it. Uh, is my domain name available? क्या मेरा domain name available है? How we can check it? Say by simply entering a domain name into the address bar of your browser. We won't tell you if it is already registered because not all registered domain name. Here you can check your domain what is it is available or not, whether it is accepted or not, which state you have registered. What is in a name means what is the concept in your name. Why we give the domain name system to a particular website, right? When as SEO stand for search engine optimization. When you are going to do SEO, domain name system helps you a lot while searching a domain name of a particular website so that you can easily access your website on over the internet. See here, I have an example like this one. Here it is a browser and this is your example DNS server. This is your web server, right? In DNS server, you contain all names which includes your website like this one. It is working on our whole network. This is basic example of your DNS. Now, What is TLD? TLD stands for top level domain and refers to the bit at the end of the domain name. Right, every when you write down in your domain name in your browser, it is end with the .com or .net. It is the symbolic or it is the symbol given to a domain name system. It is of how you can determine whether it is .com or whether it is .net. Some companies provide .net and some companies provide .co, .in. Some companies provide .com. There are different domain names and storing database at different servers. How brand protection can be done. See here like this. How long we can register our domain name? Minimum 22 years and maximum 10 years. Who owns that domain? कौन खरीद सकता है? There's a number of ways to find out the ways who can own the and who can use this domain system, domain name system, like this one. You have to pay, like the YouTube channel. You have to pay for your domain name system for the authorization. Who controls the domaining name system, right? there are mm, mm, there are assigned administrations who can manages and control your domain name systems. There are subdomains which are packed domains. In next lecture I'm going to discuss about what is web hosting. I think so it is clear to all what is domain name system.